Okay folks, this will be an interesting one. Let's see if we can make this one come up a treat. Gonna leave it on that. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have here a red ribbon tied in a bow-shaped piece, folks. A bow, pretty much it. So just wondering which part of this bow we're going to put down on the glass. Just try and make it into something interesting. I'm just going to make an interesting piece out of it. Maybe we'll go 200%. Ah, shit. Look at that. It's all blinded. It's all blinded out. All too fucking... Yeah. Yikes. Too flat. It's just too fucking flat on the glass. Gonna try and turn it up this side. Maybe make it going dot matrix. I'm sure this has happened before with the ribbons, with bright ribbons. Do think that's still a little bit too blinding, as in it's too bright, like it's too flat. This is the interesting part there. I do think we can enlarge that bigger. Drop the contrast, that could be another thing we can do. Yeah, it looks better. Still looks a bit like there's too much in that area there. Going to push it up higher into the corner, right up into the corner, folks. And I'm going to pull out the stops and run it at 400%. I do think maybe it's a bit. just to down a bit. Yeah, that looks better, actually. It's starting to look a bit better. Now it's pissing down again, folks, just a tad. I don't know how this is going to look, folks. Yeah, it's pissing down now. Just as well I was able to pick up, with my carer, was able to pick up some photocopy paper from local Officeworks in not far from here. Well, it's not within walking distance, but within a car ride. So that's our, yeah, the cyan and the magenta come up better than the yellow. They've got lovely texture. There's a bit of texture in the yellow, but it's hard to see. So, yeah. Yeah, folks, there's also lovely texture in the magenta. You can see. So this has got even more texture than the other colours. Look at that. The green has really got the detail showing. You can just see there. It's really nice. Pity not all the colours show that wonderful detail. Maybe it's because it's a secondary colour, a mixture of yellow and cyan instead of just the primary colours. Cyan, yellow and magenta, they're all what's called primary colours. And when you mix two of them together, you get a secondary colour, if you know what I mean, folks. Colour theory, folks. Anyway, enough of that. That's come up looking better than I thought. I think we can now call this demo. Whoo! Quits.